In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask under a user story in Jira. If you're embarking on a new project, managing tasks can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's where subtasks can really make a difference. They allow you to break down complex user stories into manageable pieces of work. So today, we'll dive into how you can create these subtasks, whether you're using a team-managed or company-managed project in Jira. Before we get started, it's crucial to check a couple of permissions and settings in your Jira project. First, ensure that subtasks are enabled. This feature is essential because it underlies the whole process of breaking down tasks. If subtasks aren't available, your Jira administrator might need to add the subtask issue type to your project's issue type scheme. Additionally, verify that you have the Create Issue or Create Work Item permission associated with the specific project. This permission is necessary for you to proceed with creating subtasks. Now, let's move on to the actual user story you want to break down. Begin by opening the issue view of this story, which will serve as your parent issue. Within this view, you'll need to locate the option that allows you to add a subtask. This is where we need to consider whether you're on a team-managed or a company-managed project, because each type has a slightly different approach. For a team-managed project, look for the Add Child Work item under the Issue Summary. This is the feature you'll use to add a subtask. On the other hand, for a company-managed project, you might see the More Actions menu, typically represented by 3 dots. Click on this, and you should find a Create Subtask option within that menu. Alternatively, there might be a straightforward plus Create Subtask button available right in the interface. Once you've navigated to the subtask creation screen, it's time to specify the subtask details. Start by filling in the subtask summary. This is essentially a short title that succinctly describes what the subtask entails. There are additional fields you can fill out, such as the assignee, description, and priority. Take a moment to consider what information will help clarify this task for your team. If your project has multiple subtask issue types, you may need to select which type of subtask you're creating. This choice can help categorize the subtask appropriately. Finally, after entering all the necessary information, proceed by hitting the Create button to save your subtask. Once this is done, the subtask will appear under the user story, often displayed in a Subtasks section of the issue view. Now your team can approach their work in smaller, more focused steps, making project management a lot more streamlined and efficient. I hope this walkthrough helps you master creating subtasks in Jira, bringing more clarity and efficiency to your project management efforts.